Well, hello everybody, and welcome to this video series on the Lower Alabama Railroad version 2.0. Come along with us as we take this N-gauge layout that's running around on the kitchen table and turn it into a 36 by 80 inch layout complete with scenery, train yard, turntable, village, trolley, and a river. So come along, enjoy the ride.
Well, hello, model railroaders. Just want to take a little short video here and give you a status update on the rebuild of the Lower Alabama Railroad version 2.0. At this point, I now have all of the track that I need either in hand or on order, plus a few other little bits and pieces. This is what's going to be needed to do the layout that I have decided on. And this is a 3D rendering of the layout as done in SCARM. This layout will be 36 inches by 80 inches. This is a, basically it's going to be a hollow core door. It's going to be my bench work. On this side, I don't know if you can see it, we got a little village with a trolley running through it. Up here is going to be a farmhouse. Of course, I got my little river. I'm going to have some canoers and whatnot in there. Over here is my rail yard, turntable, roundhouse, and I'll have a tunnel going around back of it. I think it's going to be a pretty cool layout. Now, coming over here to show you what we have got so far. Started off with the Kato V2, or M2 rather, master set. Next biggie, in fact the biggie, was the Kato turntable. We have the Kato roundhouse, and in front of that is the Kato turntable control panel. A neat little 3D printed water tower that my friend Andreas made for me. In addition to the power pack that came with the M2 set, I have a separate power pack that will be used for the trolley. Right here so far is my rolling stock, my trolley, my AC 4400 CW locomotive in CSX livery number 111, caboose, a little box car I got at the local train show last month, the mixed freight set. This is a center section of the 3D printed bridge a little farther back. I didn't need all four sections. I was able to put it together using just three. But I used this one to practice, and I was able to practice doing a heavy weathering on this one. And then when I came down to it, very light weathering on the bridge that will go on the layout. Very light. So the guys just repainted it. Some of the track that we have. I have a rail crossing, another truss bridge. This one is the Kato bridge. It has the track already in it. Three of my switch turnouts. This is one of three road crossings that, again, my friend Andres printed out for me. And here are some models that I picked up at the train show earlier this month. $2 a piece. This particular one I recently saw on eBay for $35 plus $12 shipping. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. And right now, like I said, all the track that I need to do this layout is in hand or on order. In fact, some more of it's being delivered today. Next up on the to-do list is to get the electronics. I have decided to go DCC with this, and after a lot of research, I think I'm going to go with the Digitrax Zephyr Express DCS 52 unit. That's a very nice unit for a railroad the size that I'm going to have. And the cool thing about it, it's got everything built into one unit. But once I get everything set up, I'm going to be able to take one of my Kato power packs, run it into one of the ports on the rear of the unit, and I'll be able to use my DC transformer as a throttle on the DCC setup along with the Digitrax throttle. So that's pretty cool. At this point, I've got for the turntable, I met a fella at the train show. He's just recently opened a train shop not too far from me, and I stopped in his shop the other day. He does a lot of 3D printing, and he is going to print me out a set of machine shop tools and whatnot that I can put into the roundhouse. And I'm looking at how to put an overhead crane in there as well. So a lot of good things happening. Thank you for taking your time right now to watch this. Like always, I ask you to give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Any questions, feel free. I love to read them. And just stay tuned for the next update, which will probably be after I get the electronics. We'll do an unboxing and see what we got with that. Until the next time, that's all for now. Bye.
The engineer has the highball and it's full speed ahead. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.